How to change sky in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit or change sky. First of all, tap on this plus icon on the middle to create or open any of your project. Now, select the image that you want to input. Here, I have selected this image. Now, here in this editing platform. Now, swipe right at last until you find this option called folders. So, first of all, you must input your sky image from this Picsart application. Now tap on the sky option. Here tap on add. Now this sky image has been inputted. Now adjust it according to the frame that you have. Now here below you can see this opacity option. So decrease the opacity accordingly. And here tap on this erase button and erase the parts that you don't want to keep in. So this will make a blend in the sky. So as you can see, the sky has been blended and there is a change in the sky. Here at the top, tap on the stick button and now you're done. So this is how you change sky. Thank you for watching.